Hello, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to start the day with an English story that will definitely motivate you to learn English, which is, she failed 3 times but never quit. Once upon a time in a village, there was a young woman who wanted to be a teacher. She was very hardworking and dedicated. After completing her education, she applied for the job of a teacher. She went to the interview. She gave her best in the interview, but unfortunately she was not selected. She was very upset, but she didn't lose hope. She thought that maybe this time she wasn't prepared well enough, so she decided to try it again next year. Next year she applied again and gave the interview. This time she was more prepared than before, but still she couldn't get the job. She was sad, but again she didn't lose hope. She thought that maybe this time she wasn't meant to be a teacher, so she decided to try for the 3rd time. For the 3rd time, she applied and gave the interview. And after the interview, she was very confident that she would get the job this time. But when the results were announced, she was shocked. She wasn't selected. She failed again. She felt like giving up, but then she thought, no, I have to try. I have to become a teacher. If I don't try, then who will do it? She thought to herself, so she took a deep breath and started preparing for the 4th attempt. This time she studied even harder than before. She knew that if she failed again, people would start judging her. People would start saying things about her, but still she didn't quit. She was determined to become a teacher. Finally, the day of the interview arrived. She gave the interview of her life. She answered all the questions correctly. She taught the students very well in the class. She demonstrated all her skills and knowledge in front of the interviewers. After the interview, she had only one thought in her mind. I hope I get the job. I hope I get the job. After a few days, the result was announced and she got the job. She became a teacher. She was so happy that she finally became a teacher. She proved to everyone that if you work hard and never give up, then you can achieve anything in life. Now let's learn some English phrases from the story. To apply means to formally ask for something, like to apply for a job or to become a member of a club. For example, she applied for the job of a teacher. He applied to become a member of the gym. To go for an interview means to visit a company or an organization to show your skills and to prove that you are right for the job. She went for an interview. He went for an interview to become a software engineer. To be selected means to be chosen for a particular task or job. She was selected for the job. The team was selected to represent the country. To lose hope means to stop believing that something will work or be true. You lost hope. To lose hope. She didn't lose hope means she never gave up. To be upset means to feel sad or disappointed. She was upset because she wasn't selected. He was upset because his team lost the game. To be determined means to have a strong desire and commitment to do something. She was determined to become a teacher. He was determined to make his country proud. To give up means to stop trying to do something. She almost gave up. It means she almost lost hope. She almost stopped trying. To demonstrate means to show something. She demonstrated her skills and knowledge. He demonstrated how to use the equipment. To prove means to show that something is true or correct. She proved that girls can play football well. He proved that he was right for the job. We hope you like this story. If you want us to make more such videos, then let us know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can become fluent in English faster and never miss out on any new videos. Thanks for watching.